you're looking right at the data, but Excel says it doesn't exist. The culprit? You're not using the anything symbol. Today, we are unlocking one tiny symbol that controls most of this behavior, the asterisk. And no, it's not just for multiplying. Let's start with a classic. Ctrl-Shift-L to turn on filters. We tap D in the search box. Excel shows everything containing the letter D. Birdcage, cat food, dog toy, way more than we want. If we only want products that start with D, just add the star after it. Now, only dog food, dog leash, and dog toy show up. This is a wildcard search, and it works right inside filters. It's like telling Excel, I know it starts with D, but I don't care what comes after. And that's just the first use of this symbol. Later, we will see how this same star serves a completely different purpose. Stay tuned! Now it gets trickier. Sometimes we use the asterisk as an actual symbol. Here, our staff use it to flag others needing a follow-up. If we try to count these, Excel accounts for everything, because it thinks you're asking for any text. To fix it, we need a tilde. Think of it as a shield. It tells Excel, hey, don't treat the next character as a wildcard. We just want the actual star. But wait, now it only counts cells that contain just the star. To count all flagged others, we make a star sandwich. Wildcard, literal star, wildcard. Problem solved. Now that these follow-up tasks have been resolved, the asterisk has done its job, we need to clean it up. Ctrl+H to open Find and Replace. Again, tap tilde, asterisk, and replace with blank. Stars are gone while the data stays intact. Next, let's level up to XLOOKUP. Say we are looking for back orders in the notes column and return all details of that order. We get an error. The reason? By default, XLOOKUP uses exact match, and we don't have one. Instead, wrap our lookup value with asterisks, skip the optional if not found argument with a comma, go to the match mode, and select 2 for wildcard character match. Now it returns the first matching row. But hard-coding text is a recipe for a headache. Let's make it dynamic. Type the search term with asterisk symbol in a separate cell, say A19, then replace the text in the formula with the cell reference. Want to search for rush orders instead? Update cell A19, and the result updates instantly. One search cell, no formula edits. Okay, now we nailed the partial text search. What if a customer calls and say, my order number starts with 101, I don't have the rest? We try the asterisk symbol on a number column, and it fails. Wildcards work only on text. Even though the order ID column is formatted as text, Excel still treats them as numbers internally. The fix? We force the lookup range to go through a text tunnel. Joining the empty text string, the other side also becomes text. And now wildcard matching works. Quick tip. Ampersand empty codes force number to text, while double dash does the opposite, forcing text to number. If you haven't seen that trick yet, make sure you check it out. Bonus time. Up till now, asterisk meant matching. Here comes visual formatting with the star. The order ID column actually means the first 4 digits of a larger ID. Say those order IDs are sensitive, and we want to mask the rest of the cell. Ctrl+1 to open the Format dialog. Go to Custom and type 0**x. 0 represents the actual number itself, regardless how many digits the number has. Asterisk means repeat the next character until the cell Y is filled, and X is the character to repeat. Same symbol, different job. From finding data to controlling matches to formatting cells, the asterisk is the hardest working symbol in your worksheet. And we still haven't touched its Boolean logic set yet. If this saved you a headache today, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. I'm Kiki, and I will see you in the next cell.